Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today I will show you how to set up Ethos Wallet, and in our upcoming videos we will make some actual transactions to get the most rewards from the airdrop. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So first, we will need to add Ethos Sui Wallet extension to our Chrome. So as always, you can find all the links in the description box below. Just click on Add to Chrome and Add Extension. Now, as you can see, we added the Ethos Wallet extension to our Chrome. So now let's click on Generate New Wallet, and we will have to enter a password. So we entered our password, now click on Continue. You will need to copy these recovery phrases and save it on a safe place, because as I mentioned it in every wallet tutorial video, somehow if you lose your password or if you forget your password, you can gain access to your wallet with these words. But if you lose these words, you lose your wallet forever. So make sure to copy these words and save them in a safe place. Then click on Create Wallet, and in here you will need to select each recovery phrase word below in their correct order. Now let's select them in their correct order and move on. In here you will need to style your wallet. You can choose an emoji here and you can choose a color to style your wallet. Then click on Continue. And again, you can choose your theme. And as you can see, we set up our wallet. Now let's have a look at how we can get the faucet to make transactions. So if you click on Use Faucet here, as you can see now, it says the faucet isn't working. There could be an issue with Sui DevNet or the Sui faucet. Please try again later. Now I will show you the other way. So after setting up your wallet, click here to copy your wallet address. Open up Sui Network's Discord server, and as I said, all the links will be in the description box below. And then open testnet faucet channel, and then write down exclamation point faucet and then paste your wallet address. Hit enter, and after about 5 to 10 minutes you will get your faucet tokens. Sometimes due to the busy network, the faucet system might not work. But as I said, just keep trying until you get your faucet tokens. You can claim your faucet tokens every 2 hours. As you can see, I tried the faucet system right now, it's not working, but that's how you do it. I will be able to claim another faucet Sui tokens in 55 minutes, and as you can see, members can send one message every 2 hours. So that means you will be able to claim your Sui faucet tokens every 2 hours. So in the next video, I will show you how to make some transactions to earn actual Sui tokens and the airdrop. And it will be exclusive to the Ethos Sui Wallet. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Also, make sure to join our Telegram global channel from the links in the description box below to ask any questions you have in mind and also to chat with us. You can find all the links in the description box below of every single video. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.